Here is a beautiful parrot. The parrot was just crawling up my arm on my shoulder. Look how beautiful. Green and yellow. I noticed the parrot from upstairs. Little parrot. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty you are. And he's such a calm parrot and smart.
Where feed them?
Eat all the rice curry.
You eat curry rice, little parrot.
You grow.
This is Sun Canyon.
Trying to get my camera to focus. Woo!
Not nothing to the money. You go in a parts store and turn it to.
I wonder why it won't focus.
Hold them myself.
If I hold it, will he focus? I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
Sure, I'm gonna get
My car, I'll continue to get it.
Oh, there you go. It's focusing a little bit more. Thank you for coming and to visiting, little bird.
Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
So
Say
intelligent.
hi. Say hi. Say hi.
so bad.
You're a beautiful bird.
Yeah. You didn't carry a shit in the car all about. You better go clean them. Your shit. All over in the car. You gotta go clean them. Okay? You gotta go clean it.
You gotta go a little box and put them in here and put.
Your caca all about. Your shit all about. You're nasty.
And I would tell you,